Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Salam alaikum. Shap shap. It's such an honor to be in this beautiful country, honoring the very best of African football, a very special evening. Let me start as always by thanking the people of Morocco. You have a special place in our hearts. Can we clap hands for the people of Morocco? Your contribution to football in Africa, and we are very proud of the work that each and every country, all of the people on the continent are doing. A very special gratitude from the 54 nations, the 54 member associations on the continent, to His Majesty King Mohammed VI, may God assist him, for his love for football, support for football, what he does in Morocco and what the Moroccan Football Federation is doing to develop and grow football on the continent. And lastly, I want to express my enormous pride. Fauzi, my brother Fauzi, really you make me very proud as my first vice president and make African football proud. Today we celebrate the very best of the continent.